Now kids, look at here, simple division. How to find the quotient and remainder. Now you know this is divisor, this is dividend. So simple division is like this, 42 inside, 5 here. So come to the very first number, that is 4, means 4 is smaller than 5. So go to the next number. Now we have 42. Now count the table of 5 and stop less than 42. Don't go more than 42. Now count the table of 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40. Now look at here. Stop where less than 42. 5 nines are 45. So don't go there. You have to subtract this. So we have taken division like that. This number is here empty. You put the 8 here. 5 eights are 40. Now 2 minus 0, 2. So here we have no number. So this is quotient, and this is remainder. So short form we write here Q, and here we write here R. That is Q for quotient and R for remainder, like that. First of all, take bigger number inside, that is dividend, then a smaller number outside, that is divisor. So count the table of 5 and stop where we found the number less than 42. 5 eights are 40. Means we have to subtract number here, then we have remainder 2. So answer is, what will be the answer? They are saying how to find out the quotient and remainder. Q is 8, short form, always write short form, and R is 2. This is the answer. Now next sum we have B, that is 43 inside and outside we have 5. You put it like that. This is also fine, no problem. And this is also fine. Once again, I am telling you how to do this. Put line here and here, like that. 43 divided by 5. Again we have same. 5 eights are 40. Minus 3 minus 0, 3, 0. So the answer is, quotient we have 8, remainder we have 3. Now come to the next number. 38 inside and outside we have 6. Now count the table of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36. 6 sevens are more than 38. So stop here. This is also method. 6 6 are 36. So again, remind this. Table of 6. Count less than 38. Now 6 sevens are, you all know that, more than 38. That is 42. Now stop. You have to stop. 6 6 are 36. 8 minus 6, 2. 3 minus 3, 0. So you put the answer like that. Quotient is 6. Remainder is 2. This is Q. This is R. Now, this is another method of long division, that is getting 2-digit quotient. Means you put it like that. 60 divided by 5. Now come to the first number. Very first number. This is bigger than 5. This is bigger than 5. So 5 ones are 5. We start subtraction from here. 6 minus 5, we have 1. Now take the number here. I told you that in division we have to go from left to right. Left to right. Come to the very first number, that is 6. If the very first number is greater than this number, divisor, then we have to call out the table. Now call out the table of 5. 5 ones are 5. 6 minus 5, here then take the number here. Now we have 2 digit. Now again call out the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Now 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. Now we have no remainder. Remainder is 0. Quotient is 12. So the answer will be quotient 12, remainder 0. Mention here, this is must. Remainder is 0. So we have quotient 2 digit. Very first rule is take care of the number here, first digit, not here, ones, tens. Come here to the biggest place. So here we have 6. 6 is greater than 5. 5 ones are 5. 6 minus 5, 1. Then you take the number, put the arrow here like that and to take it 0 here. 5 twos are 10. So again 5 twos are 10. This you have to take care of, this one. This is quotient and remainder we have 0. Now kids, we have getting 2 digit quotient with remainder. Now we have 67. What to do? 67. Here 3 dividend outside. Now go to the first number from here, close to this number. Close to this number. So count the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Take care, this should be here. Proper place value. 6 minus 6, 0. Now take second number here. Now count the table of 3. Less than 7, don't go more than 7. Again 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. 9 is more than 7, so go to 3 twos are 6. So 7 minus 6, 1. This is quotient and 1 is remainder. Again I am telling you, here close then this. Go to first number, count the table, call the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Now 6 minus 6, 0. Now put arrow and take another number. That is 7. Now call the table of 3, but don't go more than 7. More than 7. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. 9 is more than 7, so 3 twos are 6. 7 minus 6, 1. So the answer is Q22 and remainder is 1. Now again we have next sum, that is 90 divided by 7, getting 2 digit quotient with remainder. So you have divided 90, divisor 70. What to do? What to do? Go to the very first number close to number 7. Close to number 7. Wait, I am doing it again like that. 90. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. No, less than 9. 7 ones are 7. So 9 minus 7, we have 2. Now what to do? Take the number 0. Now count the table of 7 less than 20. Less than 20. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. Oh, it's more than 20. So go to 7 twos are 14. So 0 minus 4. No. Take one number from here. 10 minus 4, 6. 1 minus 1, 0. So this is quotient and this is remainder. What will be the answer? Quotient Q. Write Q for quotient. Quotient is 12 and remainder. Write R for this. So take care for this always. Number very close to divisor. Number very close to divisor, take one number. If this number is less than this, then go to the next number. But if this number is greater than this, bigger than this, then count the table here only. 7 ones are 7. 9 minus 7, 2. Now put the arrow and take number 0. Now count the table of 7. Not go to more than 20. 7 twos are 14. So minus 6 will be here. So quotient is 12 and remainder is 6.